Yeah, Kasey, I got you. Come on, Kasey, I got you. You ready? Come on, let her roll. Whoa!
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Oh shit! Shit, shit! Hey, fuck! Oh my god, dude.
Alright, you two, what's up? We're out in Simi Valley. Matt, Kasey, Mario, Daniel's here. He's visiting. Big Booty Chris. Daniel's back is still out. He's gonna hopefully be back on the bike one of these days. Got some locals with us. Sean, Levy, and everybody's on e-bikes today. We're just loading up. Matt has the Specialized Turbo Levo. Kasey is demoing the Yeti SB160 or 160E. I got the decoy. Big Boy Chris is on the Turbo Levo too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, decoy. Mario has a demo of the transition repeater. Trail mode. First trail we're gonna hit is Grudge. We're hoping to get 3 laps in today before we head back. Try to beat gridlock traffic. The last 2 times I came to LA and ride, I was super late getting back. Had my daughter waiting at the school for over an hour. Before, during COVID, I came up here almost every week, but it's just so much worse now.
All right, God, get us down the mountain safe.
Oh, yeah.
Amen.
Amen. Very safe. All right, this is the garage. I'm following Levy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, shit. Shit. Fucked up. Oh my god. That line. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. Hold on. Fuck, I'm all over the place, dude.
I don't like what they did there. That's
not you. All right, right side, girl. Right sit, guys. Woo! Decoy just eating it. Whoa! That shit's chunky! What the fuck? Wasn't expecting that. You. Oh, that's way smoother. Dude, you guys are hauling, dude. You guys are like pedaling on the flats and shit. Jesus Christ. Fuck. Woo. Holy shit, it is dusty.
Oh my god. Can't see shit.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh boy, trail's running good. It's just changed a lot. Last time I was here, no homes, no wall, just fences.
How many people do we have?
We had to take 2 cars. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna make it. All right, we're going up trail 2 now. We'll be hitting Freebird. Yeah, that was the other thing. Don't pedal flats, dude. I don't pedal
I
flats.
pedal because of him.
Yeah, don't pedal.
Yeah, man.
He's on race mode, man. Like, dude.
Oh shit!
So smooth. Woo! Oh my god. Oh, there's a gap. Oh shit. Huh? Yeah. Oh fuck. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. Oh my god. I don't know this trail. Good lord. I didn't make the turn. I went straight into the bushes. Right here.
Oh, this one?
This one. I heard.
Yeah, I'm having a lot of coaching moments back
Okay.
there. Yeah.
Do it, coach.
All right.
Right, safe. Let's go. Whoa! Fucking girl going crazy over here. Whoa! Whoa! That's optional creek line.
Yeah, I think.
Whoa, it's washed the fuck out. Holy shit. Woo! Fucking trails are sick. Another drop. Chunky. Woo! I'll drop. Whoa!
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my god. Ooh. That's fun. Oh yeah. Okay. I'll try. Oh fuck! Drop! Oh fuck! I don't remember that drop. 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 Yeah!
Not even sure if that was the line.
Ah! What the fuck? Oh, there's a drop. Oh my god, I was hit the boulder! Oh my god! Oh. I almost hit that boulder.
What was it?
That was good, but it's loose, dude.
Open.
Did you take that super high?
Yeah.
I did too. I didn't know if that was the way to go.
It's the way to
It
go.
worked out.
All right, we're not gonna shuttle up this lap. We're gonna pedal up. It saves actually a little bit faster just pedaling up on the e-bike than it would be to fetch the cars and shuttle back. Yeesh. All right, we're going on to trail 3 now. Yeah, no. All right, right, safe. All right, this is trail 3. This is Undertow. I haven't done this trail in a long time too. I'm following Matt. Nice. So good. So good. Whoa. Whoa! Lady! Drop! Oh. Oh shit. I heard him hit it. Yeah. Rock slab. Dope. Dope. Uh-oh. Ah! All right. Oh, these trails are so sick. Oh, wrong line. Fuck. Should've went over it. Ah, I fucked up. Totally fucked up. Whoa, very little. Left roller. Dusty back here. Oh yeah. That was fun.
That was fun.
Yeah, good shit. Hell yeah. What's there, girl? Oh man. These trails are just like nothing else.